This section introduces continuous improvement in Agile, focusing on three key areas: product, process, people. The goal is to show how Agile teams continuously evaluate and improve their work, collaboration, and outcomes to deliver better value over time. This slide explains the core idea of continuous improvement in Agile. Teams follow an inspect and adapt cycle, regularly reviewing work, learning from feedback, and adjusting to improve value delivery. Retrospectives help analyze team collaboration, delivery results, and gaps in process or quality so that teams can continuously refine how they work. This slide shows tools that support continuous improvement in Agile. Teams reflect on their performance using frameworks like radar charts, happiness indexes, and the PRIME directive to create psychological safety. The key message is to regularly review past retrospective actions to ensure accountability and real improvement over time. Continuous integration means frequently merging code and running automated tests. Helps detect defects early, reduce integration conflicts, and keep software deployable. Key CI practices: commit often, run automated builds, tests, and use version control. Continuous deployment goes a step further by automatically deploying validated code to staging or production. Continuous deployment focuses on delivering changes to production automatically after successful testing. Key benefits include faster releases, quicker user feedback, and reduced manual effort. Requires strong test automation, consistent environments, and rollback options for safety. Common CI/CD tools include Jenkins, Circleci, GitHub Actions, and GitLab CI. This example shows how retrospectives helped an Agile team improve their Kanban process. The team discovered that many items were stuck in testing due to overload and unclear priorities. Actions included limiting VIP, adding a dedicated testing swim lane, and improving definition of ready. As a result, backlog reduced by 60%, lead time improved from 7 to 3 days, and team morale increased. This slide explains the inspect and adapt ceremony in SAFe. It happens at the program level and focuses on improving performance across teams. The ceremony includes an end-to-end system demo, review of qualitative and quantitative metrics, and a problem-solving workshop using root cause analysis to drive continuous improvement. This slide highlights the benefits of continuous improvement at scale. It helps align multiple teams, reveals systemic or structural issues that may hinder progress, and provides a clear direction for cross-team improvement initiatives. Continuous improvement depends on having the right culture. Cultural enablers include psychological safety, openness to experimentation, and leadership that supports learning. A healthy inspect and adapt culture is visible through ongoing experiments, measurable improvements, and actions from retrospectives. Watch out for anti-patterns such as blaming individuals, ignoring lessons learned, or holding retrospectives that result in no changes. The inspect and adapt cycle is more than a process, it's a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. Agile teams should use data, feedback, and reflection to drive meaningful change. Whether improving a single team issue or scaling improvements across many teams, INA turns agility into a real working practice, not just a buzzword. Agile process improvement focuses on finding inefficiencies and improving delivery capability through constant experimentation and measurement. Value Stream Mapping (VSM) helps visualize the flow of work from request to delivery, highlighting delays and non-value activities. In Agile, VSM helps reduce lead time, increase value flow, and better align delivery with business outcomes. Key VSM elements include process steps, wait times, cycle times, VIP, and feedback indicators. Unlike Lean, which focuses on material flow, Agile VSM emphasizes information flow and team collaboration. This slide shows the steps of continuous improvement using a structured flow. We begin by defining the scope, then mapping the current process. Next, we identify delays and waste, collaborate with the team to design the improved future state, and finally set measurable metrics to track improvements. This ensures ongoing enhancement and learning in an agile environment. This slide highlights insights gained from value stream mapping. Common issues found include slow backlog refinement, long QA cycles, delays waiting on product owner feedback, and extended UAT timelines. Tools like Miro, Lucidchart, whiteboards, and SAFe's VSM toolkit help teams visualize workflow and uncover improvement opportunities. This slide explains how bottlenecks can be identified in an agile delivery pipeline. We analyze stages like QA, deployment, or pull request queues to spot delays. Techniques such as cumulative flow diagrams, lead time tracking, VIP limits, and scatterplots help visualize where work is piling up. Identifying these early enables the team to improve flow and increase delivery throughput. This slide explains common root causes of delivery bottlenecks such as dependence on a single expert, lack of automation, and unclear stage criteria. It also highlights solutions like cross-training, introducing automation, limiting work in progress, and using clear definitions of done to improve flow and reduce delays. This slide explains common root causes of delivery bottlenecks such as dependence on a single expert, lack of automation, and unclear stage criteria. It also highlights solutions like cross-training, introducing automation, limiting work in progress, and using clear definitions of done to improve flow and reduce delays. This slide summarizes the outcomes of continuous improvement efforts. Key results include improved cycle time, reduced testing delays, and better customer and business confidence. It shows how consistent inspect and adapt practices lead to measurable productivity and quality gains. This slide summarizes the outcomes of continuous improvement efforts. Key results include improved cycle time, reduced testing delays, and better customer and business confidence. It shows how consistent inspect and adapt practices lead to measurable productivity and quality gains. Continuous improvement is a key strategic element in Agile, not just something done in retrospectives. Tools like value stream mapping and bottleneck analysis help teams find deep workflow issues and improve delivery speed and quality. For PMIACP candidates, applying these practices demonstrates strong Agile maturity and readiness to lead change. Continuous improvement also focuses on growing people and leadership, not just processes. Agile environments empower individuals, encourage learning, and support servant leadership. Coaching helps teams find their Agile leadership focuses on empowering teams, building trust, enabling learning, and supporting experimentation. Leadership frameworks like servant leadership, leadership agility compass, and situational leadership help develop these skills. Example: Spotify tribe leads act as enablers who remove obstacles and create an environment where teams can thrive. Personal development plans support Agile by helping individuals grow and align with organizational goals. A strong PDP includes self-assessment, learning goals, actions, needed support, and progress metrics. Agile PDP practices include regular feedback, monthly growth reviews, and weekly check-ins with coaches or leads. Tools like Trello, Notion, and IDP templates and HR tools, for example Bambur, help track and manage personal development plans PDPs. Frameworks such as StrengthsFinder, DISC, and MBTI can provide valuable insights into individual strengths and development areas. Example: a DevOps engineer's PDP aimed at becoming T-shaped with Agile testing skills by shadowing engineers, taking courses, and receiving monthly feedback. Outcome: successfully took over regression testing in 3 months. An Agile coach helped a distributed team move from the storming to the performing phase by addressing conflict, blame shifting, and missed sprint goals. The coach's role included setting up working agreements, daily emotional check-ins, using nonviolent communication (NVC), and encouraging collaborative practices. After 3 months, the team's sprint velocity stabilized, knowledge sharing increased, and NPS score improved significantly. Coach's reflection: once people felt heard, they took ownership of problems and solutions. People and product growth are interconnected in Agile maturity. By focusing on coaching and personalized development, organizations build resilient, self-improving systems. For PMIACP candidates, understanding the human side of Agile motivation, empathy, and servant leadership is crucial for driving lasting Agile adoption.